We continue our coverage of Hurricane Sally in Midtown Mobile, where a large tree is down. Dana Winter joins us live from the scene in Midtown Mobile. Hey, Dana.
Hey, Roseanne. Well, you can see it behind me. Even before I step out of the way, there is a massive tree down here in front of the house on Robert Street. If you take a look at the top of the house, you'll see where the tree crashed, hitting the top of the roof. Now, we're told by neighbors that everyone inside the house is okay. So that's some good news that we just want to share with you right away. Everyone is okay at this house. But with all of this rain and this tree coming down on top of the roof, we're told by neighbors that there is some water seeping in through the top right corner of this house. We're told this family's actually had this house in their possession from one family member or another since the early 1900s when there was another massive hurricane that came through here. And so this is definitely some big damage. It's the biggest damage that we've seen so far tonight. Lots of neighbors out here checking on the man who lives here and just, making sure that everything's okay. We've found that there is not really power on this street, but if you go just a couple of streets down, there is power over there. We're told by neighbors they saw some emergency responders here just making sure that the man inside this house was okay before they did move on. Reporting live in Midtown Mobile, I'm Dana Winter for WKRG News 5.